Hello guys, I am Andy and today we color the Spider-Man. I think you are ready because we start right now. Okay, good. It's a Spider-Man. We can use a blue color and red color. Okay, we start maybe with red color. Red color, red body. Good. Boom, 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 boom. Oh no. Oh no. Boom, 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 boom. Good. Don't be scary. Everything okay. If we make a mistake, we can clean this later. Okay. Boom, 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 boom. Yes, good. Very well, very well. Okay. Okay, good. We are finished. Yes, good. And next we can use a blue color for body. Okay. Boom, boom. Okay. Wow, so fast. And for this, maybe we can use a red color, another red color. No, this red color. Yes, good. And for this, with blue. Oh no, blue color. 1, 2, 3. Good. Okay. And what about this? We need color this. Okay. Boom, boom, boom. Good. Wow, so beautiful, but not clean. We need change a background. Maybe it's yellow back. Yes. Wow. No. Too much. Okay. Wow. We clean everything. Okay. Good. Next, maybe we can color this. Yes. Okay. Maybe we can do boom, 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 boom. Okay, red and dark blue. Okay. Oh, no, it's a red. Good, okay. And what about pants? Maybe it's a blue? Blue pants. Wow, yes, so beautiful. Okay, and this shoes, maybe we can use a red color. What do you think? Red color is good? Yes, red color. Well, red color. Okay, maybe it's not clean, but everything okay. We can clean everywhere later. Okay, good. And red color here. Very well. That's it. Okay, good. And next here. Yes. Okay, this. Yes. Okay, well. Okay, clean background and wow, so beautiful. And we need a clean. Yes. Wow. Good. We have a good Spider-Man and we need color, just one shoes. Boom, boom, boom. Yes. Maybe we can use this. Okay, good. Hop. So beautiful. Okay, now we need a clean background. Yes, good. And clean pants. Wow, so good. And what about this? What is this? Maybe blue color? Yes, why not? Okay, and eyes. What about eyes? It's a black eyes. Wow, so angry. This Spider-Man so angry. And next, what about background? No. Maybe pink. Wow, good. It's a Spider-Man. Wow, so beautiful and angry. Okay, thank you for the watching. I think, do you like my video? If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel and see you later. Why not? See you later. Okay, thank you for the watching and bye bye.